Uh, you could potentially take a long here off of this into here. Um, this is actually what I wanted. I wanted to get long off of leaving this daily gap, but I didn't really like that setup. This is 50% of this wick here. Probably gonna take a continuation off of this wick for now. I would have liked to get like a small wick down into this fair value gap right here. But we will see. We'll see. The market is just really kind of ugly today. It really is. Did we sweep those up there? No, we didn't. So if I get a price offer of where I'm just like down into here somewhere, then I'm probably gonna try to take a long. You could definitely take something off of that, 50% of that level. Yeah, I wanna come down into here now and just kind of see what we can get filled here. Break this low. There we go. In the fair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and take a stab. I don't like that I have my executions on. I fucking hate that. So let me turn this off. So that's 1R on the day. Probably rushed it. Probably should have waited. There we are in the IFVG. I'll wait to see a reaction here and then I'll give it one more go. And like I said, bro, I will definitely take a loss and get the fuck out of here. There's no way in hell I'm chasing anything in this market. This market is stupid ugly. And actually this is definitely pretty fucking ugly as well. If we get a wick up here, I might swap the bias to short and target down like these like lows right here, at least these. Those are very relevant. So if I can get a wick off of this CE, might give it a run. Right now we're in this inversion. Ah, man, I can't swap my bias yet. Hold on. Hold on. Just wait. If we inverse all of this, then it's like I'm way happier. This is an inversion fair value gap. I doubt that we're gonna leave this open. 50% of this wick. Okay. So now I think that the longs are back on. Potentially. So I will play it off of... I mean, it's crazy. It's genuinely crazy. So I think that now my fill is off of the 50% here. You could go long right there, maybe. It's just so volatile, dude, that like you can't like fuck up. Whoa, whoops, sorry about that. You like can't fuck this up because we are just, I mean, we're just ripping to BH. So it's It's pretty gross, dude. It's really pretty gross, to be honest. I'll take it maybe on the next candle. It really depends. Do we close below this open or not? And if we do, then I'm gonna short off this wick right here, which we did not. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely heavy. I do think that we're going to the downside here, but the question is there's the sweep. This is 6. Okay. So now if we break through this, then I'm gonna take a long and target this right here. But like we have to like get out of this entirely, and then I mean, we're in this fair value gap right here. Did not go IFVG. It's just like, I mean, you can see it's stupid ugly. Like it's just not pretty price action. We did purge a little bit of liquidity right here. If I can get it down maybe to here, I'll try it. I mean, it's just like, it's still so risky. This fair value gap right here. We inverse this fair value gap, we'll take a wick entry. Trade buy. Stop loss would have to be like down there. Okay, I'm gonna give this a go. And the assumption is that we're gonna wick into this fair value gap on the next candle. So as long as we don't run too far, and then I would have to call it. I mean, this is a huge stop loss here, but yeah. Oof, we might not actually be able to get the wick entry anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. I'm gonna move my stop actually to here. Clearly the bias is right, but odds that we actually get a fill, very fucking slim. Oh man, hopefully we can get something right there. I moved it up a little bit just to get a wick into there, into the actual FVG. Potentially I'm zooming in now, hella. Let's see, we purge it here, no fill. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, oh god. Come on, there we go. Okay, so we did get a fill there. I'm gonna be moving this to break even very quickly. Gonna be moving this to break even very quickly. Just want to get away from this here, and then the next candle I would like to see rip up from this position here. I don't want to move it yet. I want to wait. I'm gonna give it room to breathe. Okay. My break. I'm gonna not move it to break even quite yet. Okay, now I'm break even on this trade. So this is break even. And now hopefully this will run and not be held down by this wick here. So we really need to get above this. We need to get above CE and then use it as support. And then I think that we'll have a pretty decent shot at having a winning day here. And I do think that this is going to be my last trade because price action is just so ugly. So I really hope, dude, that we don't get stopped out here for break even. And if we do, then I'm taking it and getting off the chart for the day. I'm just gonna go watch TV and veg. Didn't really sleep that well last night. That's okay. Come on now. Come on now. Okay. Oh. This has to be the low here, or else we're gonna get stopped. Scaling. So now we're scaled out there for, I think, break even on the actual day. Now I want to see a big upwards expansion here, using 50% of this wick. Get above this wick, close above this wick, and then I think that we're pretty happy. So let me see how many ticks this actually is. This is 30 times 2.5, so not break even, down like 40 bucks. But I do like this so far. We need to close above this candle's wick here. That is the objective. If we close above it, then I know that we're gonna have like a quite big of a runner. At least to get us some profit on the day. But yeah, need to close above this wick here. There we go. There we go. Close above that one. Oh my god, close above it. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. That's gorgeous. This is a gorgeous candle. Okay. Now we're going to wait for an immediate rebalance, and then we're going to scale. So I'm going to go ahead and move it. Not yet. Not yet, not yet. Hold on. So wait, we just took this high. We just took this high. So now we're definitely gonna run up here and give it some love up here. This is gonna be our next point of taking a high. I want to make sure I give it a lot of room, give it a lot of space. I'm not even scaling yet. I'm not trailing. Right there's the immediate rebalance. We're still not celebrating this. We are still not celebrating this. However, I am gonna move it. I moved it up, locking in a break-even day on the day. Might have been aggressive. I'm gonna move it down. Ah, no, we got stopped there. Damn. I think that was aggressive, but I don't know. I think we're break-even now on the day. Honestly, that was an aggressive trail by me. Let's see, we were here. Let's see. It might not have been. I hope it wasn't, but I'm afraid that it was. Right there, we purge it. And come on, stop me out. Stop me out. Stop me out. Stop me out, baby. Stop me out. No, don't do me like this. Come on now, stop me out. Stop me out. Oh no. It's crazy, you know, I'm waiting to see if I would get stopped out here, but I am done on the day. I'm gonna take my $5 hot and ready and get the fuck out of here, but I think that that was an aggressive trail. I don't know, I mean, I didn't really want to go all the way down into the bottom of this wick. I wanted to use it as like 50% and just keep running, but this price action is just ugly, so. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I will see you next week. Actually, I won't see you next week. I'm gonna be gone next week. So I will see you not next Monday, but I'll see you on so I'm gone this week. I will see you on the 10th. So yeah. I'm going on vacation. It's spring break. Oh man, that's killer, man. That is just killer right there. Alright. Anyways, have a good one. Bye-bye.